Alright, a little bit on the glute. Alright, relax. Lift this one off the table. Alright, back down, and then the other one. Better or worse or about the same?
About the same.
About the same? Okay. Were they even or did it feel better than last time?
A little better.
Good. I'm gonna take this one. Alright, lay on this side facing me. So you're gonna lay on your whole body, you're gonna bring both your arms over.
Oh, wait. Wait.
Oh, you're just gonna be laying right here on this part of your body.
Oh, okay. Like this.
Yep, just like that.
But do I need to look like
So you're gonna scoot closer to me? Scoot a little more, a little more, a little bit more. Good. Give me this arm. Pull this out from under you. And you're just gonna drop your head.
Oh.
Can you give me that other arm? Soft hug. Soft.
Oh, I love myself.
Yep. You're gonna bend this leg. And you can bring up the knee and drop. Okay. So I'm gonna push your leg down.
Okay.
Body that way. So you're kind of gonna do a twist.
Oh, like that. Oh.
So you're just gonna look that way.
Okay.
All right. You may hear a pop. That's perfectly fine. Okay.
Okay.
Deep breath in. There we go. All the way out. Flip over to the other
That's
side.
good. Good.
Say what?
That felt kind of good.
All right. Flip over to the other side.
Like
Try it. Flip the side. Good, like that.
that.
Mm-hmm. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. Now lay on your stomach. Alright, this time you're going to take a deep breath in and then you're going to blow all the way out. Well, one more time, deep breath in. All the way out, drop your shoulders. Good. You're going to let it fall to the side.
Oh, that felt good.
Pick your head up and fall. Let everything go all the way out. Look up, look up, look up. There we go.
Oh. I know. Okay. I know you can do all that.
Oh, she was surprised.
It was the WWE DDT move. I was like, wait a minute, nope. Ain't got us on camera. They do it in this client. Bam!
Right. Sit your ass up. First time she did, I was look out, she was like that.
Right.
Was one more difficult than the other?
The right one.
All right. All right, lift this one first, and then the other one. Better, worse, or about the same?
Better.
Good. All right, what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you lay on this side, facing the door. Over here. I'm gonna take this off of here. Put this right about there.
I'm good. My
This
bad
it?
earlier. I was in a breakfast at the conference.
Okay, this arm, and we're gonna pull.
Yeah, it's water.
All right, drop your head back. Go over your top shoulder. Yeah. Take a deep breath in.
Yeah. So the
All the way
two I
out.
had for you were oh, actually I found out it's not a Medicare Advantage thing.
Cracked me like a glow stick.
So I didn't know if
All the way.
there wasn't be a benefit. If there is an argument we can make that.
Go ahead and lay on your stomach.
Favorite part.
Obviously, there will be terminated leave or stuff.
A little higher here is fine.
Here, you can go up and put your face right, yeah, wherever you're comfortable. So as you can see with mobile chiropractic, I can literally do it just about anywhere. I'm in an attorney's office at the moment. If they have enough space, I just bring them in one by one to get adjusted, and they don't have to worry about taking off work. It literally takes maybe 10, 12 minutes, and they're able to go back instead of having to wait through traffic waiting rooms, having to get back, that can take upwards to an hour and a half to 2 hours of your day. This takes maybe 20 minutes.
Right.
All right, take a deep breath in, all the way up. Good job. Pick your head up and let that cheekbone fall, yeah. Pressure here and here, okay? Deep breath in, all the way up. Good. Same thing up and over. Drop that shoulder. Let it go.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Good job. All right, go ahead and flip over on your back.
Thank you.
The second question I have for you, and I guess this.
Oh, yeah.
And extra organization, what we will, you had to file, do the extra organization, you have the documents before we file.
One more time, let it go.
There we go.
I'll give your neck a little bit of a pull, okay? I'm gonna put my hand underneath your chin. Just relax. That pressure, okay? I love it. All right, give me this knee.
Oh, shit.
I just had to move you closer. All right, so what's gonna happen is I'm gonna hold this here, and I'm just gonna push this down. You're gonna do a twist. I'm gonna do all the work.
I just need to see you.
Yeah. And turn back and look at AJ.
I don't even want to look at him.
Yep, lean back just like that. Okay, deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh, shit. You just broke my back. I feel it. I'm just kidding. Oh, God.
At least it popped.
You signed me up for this.
It's your birthday present.
I would have taken something different. Oh, I hear it already about to start.
Look back that way. Deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. So do you know why you're popping like that? Going to lay on your stomach? So this time I'm just going to a little bit of pressure downward, okay? So you can take a deep breath in. All the way out, blow all that air out. Blow it out, blow it out.
She blew out more air than I even inhaled.
All right, deep breath in. And all the way out.
Yeah.
Pick your head up. And let it fall.
Oh,
just
yeah.
like that.
Oh, Jesus.
Stop.
Pick your head up.
Does this make you feel good? Like,
Actually, just pick it. So you're gonna pick it straight back, and then let it fall. Let it fall. Yeah, just like that. So you asked me, does it make me feel good?
you like to hear this popping and stuff, don't you?
No, not necessarily, but I do know that you are really out of alignment, and that's why you're hearing so much of it.
It brings me joy to hear it.
I know it does.
Lay on your back.
You should have went upstairs.
And touch your neck, okay?
Okay.
So right now I'm just gonna motion just to see where we are.
Did it hurt? Oh.
This shit just gets you all the way off guard. Oh my gosh.
Drop this shoulder. My thing is just soft hold, okay? Alright, lean back on me. You're gonna take a deep breath in. And all the way out. You're gonna get a good stretch.
That camera got that camera got my face.
That's a nice meme.
Oh, thank you, Jesus.
How was it? Go and stand up, walk around, let's see.
Oh. How was it? That thing stressed me out.
You easily stressed out.
KJ, you like that? I mean, it did what it was supposed to do, but
You gotta walk.
the sound effects, I'm gonna get me some water.
They were refreshing.
What was refreshing?
Sound.